you didn't already know, I'm a different breed. In my own lane and I'm in a different league. When they hear me spit, they don't dread about the killing of the beat, cause I'm built so differently. Rappers been an A game when they spit with me. Better tell me no single bit of quit in me. I've been switching gears, hitting different speeds. I don't really bark, you'll get bit with me. Oh, what's up, you guys? We're here for a new episode of Chainsaw Man. And last episode we learned what Aki can do.
He doesn't deal, not really what he can do to deal with that.
Yeah. The Fox Devil. So like, takes a toll on him physically some way. He said that time he used it was like it was some skin. And yeah. And then now they all move. I like how they spent so much time showing us his peaceful morning routine, just to emphasize how chaotic now it's gonna be with these two living with him. Like, this is his normal everyday life. It's so peaceful. They spent so much time. No,
it got messy with Denji, and then it got really, really bad with Power.
Yeah, that's why it's so funny. They spent so much time showing us like how good it is, how quiet it is, just for them two to move in and ruin it. So that was cool. So they're all together now. The squad's together, living together, and yeah.
He copped the field last episode.
He did. He earned 3. So now we're here. This episode is called Gun Devil, which is like we said, like we assume that there's a chainsaw devil, you know, based on their power and how dangerous they can be. There's probably other stuff like Gun Devil.
Where's the tomato devil for crying out loud?
Yeah, but like stuff that could like harm you, like
knife devil.
Yeah, you know.
Toothpick devil.
Axe devil, stuff like that. So yeah.
Hose devil.
We're just gonna jump in. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe. Yeah, let's check it out.
Oh, he didn't yet.
He's about to... What the heck? What? The final fondling. At least she kept her word. Alright, mission accomplished.
It started there?
Oh my god. He hasn't slept for 3 days. She's about to send him on 1,000 missions. Denji living his dream right now. What the heck is going on? He's arm ground. He's never washing his hand ever again. Of course the gun devil would appear in America.
Gun violence. Wow, they brought up gun violence.
Yeah, because of how much fear is in guns, this gun devil is super strong. That's what she was saying. Watch the gun devil be like a kid. Oh, he's the gun devil. His whole face just turns into... Either one of them is the gun devil, or the gun devil is about to show up right now and kill both these kids. Accidentally killed his brother. Wow, look at this animation, mappa.
What?
Oh, that was a flashback. That reminded me of WandaVision. You know, the flashback scene and then the bomb. Mm.
ぱり銃野郎の肉片食べてたか。雑魚悪魔にしちゃ強かったからな。その先に。
Oh.
Explains his motivation and stuff. I remember, yeah, they said revenge, you know, for his family.
の悪魔本人がいるんじゃねえの。ここはどうした？あ？何の得もねえの言ったら俺がてめえにゲームしちゃうかよ。早川先輩。
That's all it takes, go.
It's like children.
Oh, the S13 though. Denji's already in the building. Don't worry, I'm plenty motivated. Chainsaw Man's hitting you with some knowledge. So she's like orienting two rookies too. Mm.
Ew.
Ew.
Well, Power's actually pretty cool.
No, I like Power. She don't hesitate. Also, she can make more than just a hammer. Hmm. That's cool.
Oh, she gave up an eye for the Ghost Devil.
I know. And Denji gave up a nut just for
Oh my gosh.
just to not get killed, I guess.
Oh, that's cool.
That is cool.
Did she the imprint on her neck
No.
when she was up against the wall?
Oh.
And then when she released it, then her neck didn't look like it had a hand on it. What is this, guys? Special stuff. Are you reading the stuff with the Todd too?
She's gonna come back up. What? What? Why would you end it there? Wow.
Aw.
I know. Wow. That's actually a cliffhanger that's annoying. Like, they gotta be in some like illusion devils house or something. Huh. So important episode. Denji got motivation. But he was starting to like realize like it wasn't all that, and then Maki was like, oh hold on, I need you back here, let me re-motivate you, I need you to do stuff. Because he was like about to be like So, but yeah, so we've seen Aki's backstory and Himeno's backstory. Kinda, yeah.
That was just
Yeah. Well, we know Aki's thing was like family related and revenge related, and then seeing that was pretty, caught me off guard. I thought we were getting introduced to the gun devil. I didn't realize that was Aki. And then Himeno's power is cool. She made a deal with a ghost devil, and she has an invisible right hand for her right eye. So we still gotta see what the other girl can do that she's orienting. Like that she's in charge
the
of.
two that they.
Two, yeah. Her other girl and the other guy. Where they are now must be like a pretty serious devil. That's why when that little one came out, I was like, that's not it. Because they wouldn't send all 6 of them if it wasn't like an actual like serious threat.
Denji wouldn't have gotten that kind of motivation.
Yeah. So, I don't know. We might not even see the gun devil in the next episode. They might still have to like. That might be like the final boss for this season, because they still gotta find, pieces of it.
Mm-hmm.
So
well,
that's
not
cool.
really. That's just flesh.
Yeah, but like the bigger the chunk gets, the more it's like the bigger the magnet and radar gets, then they can find the gun devil for real. So we might not even see it for another couple episodes. So, but nonetheless, good episode. I'm genuinely annoyed because now I can't wait until next Tuesday. Because that whole like, what's the word? Like fun house, trap house, not trap house, like maze or whatever. Like
they're in a hotel.
Yeah, but something's off, It's like that one animation illusion where they're going.
Oh,
up and down
the stairs that the guy's in.
So.
I think one episode of SpongeBob when Squidward kept running, but then he kept going back.
Or like Thor when he kept running, passing corn. Kept passing corn. Like,
oh
hey,
no,
man.
yeah, it's a circle. It's a circle, yes.
But yeah. Anyways, I'm loving Chainsaw Man. This is a good show. Can't wait for next week. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, check out my music, all the other content, follow us on social media, links are down below. And I'll see you guys next week.